In the listening section, you will answer up to 47 questions to demonstrate how well you understand spoken English. There are 3 types of tasks.
I thought Professor Malik's lecture usually runs longer than that.
Didn't you say the statistics assignment was due this morning?
The line at the advising office was much shorter than usual.
Weren't you planning to borrow the professor's copy of the article?
The seminar discussion got pretty intense toward the end.
Didn't you already meet with the lab supervisor about your proposal?
I was expecting the guest speaker to talk more about industry trends.
Weren't you supposed to present your findings during today's meeting?
Did you already call the hotel about our reservation for Saturday?
I tried this morning, but I ended up speaking to an automated system.
So you still haven't talked to anyone directly?
No. And then they sent me a text saying the front desk opens later today.
Really? I thought someone was available there all day.
Usually, yes. But they're changing their computer system this morning.
I see. Then I should probably wait until this afternoon to call again.
Yeah, that would probably save you some trouble.
What can be inferred about the man? Why does the woman say, "That would probably save you some trouble"?
Did you ever hear back from the moving company about Saturday?
Yeah. They finally called me this morning.
Oh, good. So everything's all set now?
Not exactly. They can still do it, but only in the afternoon.
Really? I thought you wanted to get an early start.
I did, but their morning schedule is already packed.
Well, I guess that throws a wrench in your plan.
A little, but at least I don't have to start over with another company.
What can be inferred about the man? Why does the woman say, "That throws a wrench in your plan"?
Attention, students. The University Recreation Center will remain open during the upcoming holiday weekend, but the building will operate on reduced hours. In addition, the swimming pool will be closed on Sunday morning for routine maintenance. Anyone planning to use the pool later that day should check the updated schedule posted near the entrance.
What is the announcement mainly about? Why does the speaker mention the schedule posted near the entrance?
Have you ever noticed that when people work together in a group, some individuals contribute less effort than they would if they were working alone? Psychologists refer to this phenomenon as social loafing. Social loafing occurs when people feel that their individual effort is less noticeable within a group. As a result, they may rely on others to carry more of the workload. Researchers first observed this effect in experiments where participants were asked to pull on a rope as part of a team. When individuals believed their performance was being measured separately, they tended to pull harder. But when they thought their effort was blended with others, their effort decreased. To reduce social loafing, psychologists suggest making each person's role more visible. When individuals feel accountable for their contributions, they are generally more motivated to participate actively.
What is the main topic of the talk? Why does the speaker mention the rope-pulling experiment? According to the talk, why might people contribute less effort in groups? What does the speaker suggest can reduce social loafing?